Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and we're taking a look at the homepage today. You'll see this is the one I've been playing with as my famous quote. You'll notice my picks, I have pictures, they're all linked. Like this one goes to ASU's schedule. This one would bring you to a list of 14ers, they're called, in Colorado mountains you can hike. This one has an awesome list of places you can do adventure activities. Then you'll see more multimedia down here, a couple GIFs, one of my favorite sports moments there. I was actually at that game in South Africa. A video that I love to watch. If you just YouTube, if you give a little love, you can get a little love of your own. This will come. Amazing video, inspiring. You'll notice on my page, there's one more part where there's a button that I created down here, and it's an article, and it's something that can be helpful to other people and a great reminder to myself. So your home page, the purpose of your home page is it's a voice for you. If someone would look at this, they would get a much better understanding of you and who you are. And it's a place to just kind of express yourself, give yourself a voice. It should make you happy to look at your homepage, like as I'm looking at mine. I mean, these are just things that either make me laugh, like this guy over here telling you to make your dreams happen. You get the idea, though. That's what your homepage is supposed to be. So this is a sample of a homepage. Hope you enjoy.